students, welcome to Mali Foundation International School. So, how is your day? Yes, I hope you all are having a great day, right? Yes. So, before starting today's topic, let's see today's date and day. So, it is today's date, 5th October 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay, students. So, what we did in the previous class? Yes, in the previous class, we completed the lesson 3rd. Yes, no? Yes, today in this class, we are going to start a new lesson and that lesson name is styles and object. What is this styles and object? Yes, for example, see students, each and every student has a different handwriting. Yes, no? They write in the different style. Yes, no? Yes. So, every child, it is not a mandatory that every student should have a particular handwriting. Yes? So, each and every student has a different handwriting. Even a computer has many styles. Yes. In MS Word, especially in MS Word, when we want to type something, in our mind it strikes. Why can't we change the style? Why can't we add something inside it? Yes. While writing in pen, think, I want to write something about, yes, for example, you want to write about our school. So, you will start writing. While writing, you will think, why just can't I change the format or my style of writing? Or suddenly you will come to know, suddenly you will think that, why can't I draw my school picture here? It will be innovative. Yes, no? Yes. So, this is called adding some styles and objects in your writing style. Yes. So, in MS Word also, we have this kind of thing. Yes. Many of the things which we want to insert won't be present on the keyboard. Yes, no? Only in the keyboard we have alphabets, numbers and few special characters. So, in MS Word, we have a variety of styles and objects which we can insert while typing. Yes, student, it's true. And MS Word, we have an optional, many optional to insert font. Even we can change the size, color of the letters and the font, the style of the letters. There are very many other styles, and even you can insert underline, punctuation marks, and the shapes also included. Special characters which are not on the keyboard are present in the Microsoft Word. Okay, today in this class we will see the few shapes and symbols of MS Word. Okay, students. Yes, first one is here. The first is draw a shape. Draw a shape. Please everyone, please open page number 30. Please everyone open page number 30 your textbook. Yes, can you see here in the figure 4.1 is the Microsoft Word page. There you will be having an option called as insert. When you click on that option insert, you get variety of shapes. What shape? Geometrical shapes. The shapes which we use in mathematics can also be used in our system. Yes, students, it's true. When you click on that insert and shapes, there not only shapes, you will get arrow marks, different varieties of lines, everything you can see in that shapes. Now we will study what are the steps we have to follow to insert the shapes in the Microsoft Word. Okay, the first step is, step 1 is go to the insert tab. Yes, you have to click on the insert tab as I told. Then step 2. What is the step 2? Select shape that you want. So automatically when you click on the insert, you will get different kind of shapes there. So when you click on that shape, so click on the any shape, and then step 3 is move your mouse to the location where you want to draw the object. Yes, what is the third step? Yes, so as soon as you select the shape which you want to insert on the page, you have to click that shape click on the location. Click on the location where you want to insert symbol. Where you want to insert symbol. Yes. In the insert option, in that symbol option, you select any one option and then click it on the page of the Microsoft Word. Okay. Then on the insert tab, the symbol groups click symbol. Yes. So when you click on the insert symbol, you will get the symbol option. Step 2. Step 2 is on the insert tab. On the insert tab, in the symbols group, click a symbol. Yes, as I told, in the insert symbol only, in the insert option only, you will get this symbol option. Symbol menu will open. When you click on that symbol, you will get many symbols there. So you can select any one symbol and click it on that. After that, step 3 is click on the symbol that you want in the drop menu. Then, if the symbol that you want to insert is not in the menu, click more symbols. In the front box, click on the font that you want. Select the symbol that you want to insert and then click insert. Yes, see the figure 4.4 here. Yes, can you see this figure 4.4? Yes. If there is no more symbols in the figure 4.3, see the next step is click on the symbol that you want to insert, that you want in drop menu, drop down menu, or in that step 3 only, if the symbol that you want to insert, if the symbol you want to insert is not in the menu, is not in the menu means click on more symbols. When you click on the more symbols, what it will appear? You will get more options. Yes, see here. Yes. So when you click on the insert, first step, when you click on the insert, you will get this small box. So here only few symbols are there. You want more symbols. Then what you will do? Here in the down you can see the figure 4.3. More symbols is appearing. Yes, no? When you click on that more symbols, turn the next page, page number 31. See figure 4.4. You will get a variety of symbols there. Can you see? So much symbols are there. Yes. When you select any symbol, see for example, I will select H. When I click on the H, it will appear in blue color. So how will you insert? Yes, after clicking on the letter, you have to click on the insert. When you click on the insert, the symbol will be selected, and then the next step, fourth step is you have to click close. What is students? Yes. So this is how we insert the symbol. So what is the step? First, click on the insert button. When you click on the insert button, the symbol option will be open. So when you click on that symbol, you will get variety of symbols. You will get few symbols. If you want more symbols, you have to click on the more symbols. Then you will get more symbols. So in that, if you select any one symbol, after selecting that, what you have to do? You have to click on insert and then close it. Okay, students. Yes. So this is how we draw a shape and insert the symbols. Got it? Shall we move to the next topic? Yes, today this is enough, but we will be having homework. The homework is I will write here. send it. Okay students? Yes, so I will meet you in the next class with different topic. Until then, take care.